Is your Fire Stick feeling empty and restricted by the official store? Don't worry, because you are about to turn your device into a total entertainment powerhouse in under 3 minutes. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, Fire Stick users struggle because the Amazon App Store blocks the best community-vetted media players and utility tools. By using downloader codes, you bypass those long URLs and install the world's best streaming apps with just a few numbers. Let's get your device fully loaded with these 20 essential codes and steps. Step 1. Open Downloader and enter 250931. This is the Troy Point Toolbox. It is the ultimate Swiss Army knife for your Fire Stick, containing every utility, speed test, and cleaner you need to keep your system running fast. Step 2. Use code 28907 for the Unbox Tech library. This is a massive 2026 favorite for finding the latest versions of trending apps when your old ones stop working. Step 3. Enter code 72609 for the All Stores directory. This is the best place to find alternative app stores like Aptoide TV, which gives you access to thousands of apps Amazon doesn't want you to see. Step 4. Input code 814529 for OnStream. If you want a lightweight, fast, and high-quality video-on-demand experience without the lag, this is the code you need. Step 5. Use code 71893 for Stremio. It is the gold standard for a clean, Netflix-style dashboard that organizes all your content and add-ons in one place. Step 6. Enter code 483927 for the official Kodi 21 Omega build. This is the fastest way to get the latest stable version of Kodi without hunting through the official website. Step 7. Try code 549628 for TVMate. If you have an IPTV service, this is the most professional cable-like player available, offering a seamless program guide and multi-screen support. Step 8. Input code 1504072 for FlixVision. This is a massive 2026 favorite for finding the latest versions of trending apps when your old ones stop working. Step 9. Use code 50187 for BTV. This classic community favorite has been optimized for the latest 4K max sticks to ensure zero buffering on high-quality streams. Step 10. Enter code 730116 for the Cinema HD backup. This version is patched to ensure that your links stay active even when the primary servers are under heavy load. Step 11. Use code 7919E0D4 for StreamKings. This is a specialized library focused on technical tools and high-end media players for advanced users. Step 12. Try code 676645537 for the Stream It All library. This is one of the largest collections of streaming APKs that does not require a PIN to access. Step 13. Input code 7446077 for the Noro Fire library. This is a curated collection of premium utility and media applications specifically for Fire TV devices. Step 14. Enter code 969600000. Use PIN 911911 to unlock this top store library, which features 43 plus applications including file managers and security tools. Step 15. Use code 336274666 for Stream Doctor. This code combines media applications with security tools to ensure your device stays protected while you watch. Step 16. Input code 90D311FE for the Oztech 3000 library. This collection features specialized media players and system optimization tools to enhance your device's overall speed. Step 17. Enter code 8285977 for the direct installment of trending VOD apps. This is a great shortcut for those who want to skip the store menus and get straight to the content. Step 18. Use code 7CD6A4F1 with PIN 911911 for premium apps. This library focuses on enhanced versions of popular media players for a better user experience. Step 19. Set your DNS to 8.8.8.8 in your network settings. This bypasses provider-level blocks that often stop these codes from connecting to the servers. Step 20. Always delete the APK file after installation. Downloader will prompt you to do this immediately. Select Yes twice to save your precious internal storage from filling up with junk files. For a quick bonus tip, try the Projectivity Launcher. You can find it in the Troy Point Toolbox. It lets you replace the ad-heavy Amazon home screen with a fast, clean interface that only shows your favorite apps. If you face any difficulty with these codes or the developer options, please leave a comment below. I am staying active on this thread, and I will reply within 1 hour to help you. If this helped you unlock your Firestick, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your device is now a powerhouse, so go enjoy your unlimited setup.